Okay, everyone. Here is my problem with fire alarm enthusiasts. They bother their next door neighbors with their home alarm systems, or their neighbors across the street with their home alarm systems. And people in the house. So that is why they put tape over their alarms so it is less loud. It is okay for those people because it is not protecting the public, but if you tape over a public alarm, that is real dangerous because people may not hear the alarm in a fire emergency, especially in areas like hotels where people sleep. If you tape a bedroom alarm, people are going to sleep through a fire emergency because it is not loud enough to wake people up. Tape is real dangerous in a fire emergency because it reduces the sound of the alarm, which can prove dangerous in a fire emergency. Especially in a bedroom. You need that thing to be loud to wake people up and say, hey, there's something going wrong and you must get out now. But if someone has alarms in their house and it's their own systems, and they don't want to bother their neighbors or their parents or anyone in the house or in the surrounding houses around them, they will put tape over their alarms to mask down the volume a bit. But that is totally okay since it's their alarm. Bye.